It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. I want to introduce to you a technology that's great for soothing the skin, smoothing the skin, help you be ageless. So this is our Ageless Ultrasonic Beauty Device. And what you're going to love is that it has light therapy, it has vibration, and it also, I'm going to read it right from the manual here so you can kind of get an idea. It's going to help to smooth in and help you be ageless a lot longer in your life. So we do have another video coming out which will go through step by step on how to use it, but it has the HIFU ultrasonic function, targets the layer of the human body, the skin, called SMAS, and it's using focus points restructuring collagen within the cells, and it does not damage the normal tissue. It restores skin elasticity, smooths fine lines, and enhances facial contours. Who doesn't want that? I've been using it for a short time, and I've already been noticing around my jawline it feels definitely more smooth. I was starting to get a little double chin there. Oh my gosh. It has a warm heating function as well. It has microwaves at the frequency of 1 million times per second, which deeply warms the skin. That's the thing I noticed right off the bat. I was like, wow, it feels like it's warming the skin. That's going to open up the pores and it facilitates the skin cleansing. And this also has a light that comes out that is red. It has the EMS microcurrent function. So it's got various modes in the massager that helps go towards the skin and the face, strengthenings and lifts and firms. And there's a light that is green on this one. And it also has the pulse function, which is the mild heat. It opens up those pores, enhances voltage, circulation deep within the skin, and revitalizes the collagen, improving skin elasticity. So if we want to be ageless a lot longer, this device is going to help you with that. So you can find this at healthyhydration.com.